Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best adapter is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to bridge the gap between different refrigerant systems, specifically when transitioning from the older R134A to the newer R1234YF standard, ensuring compatibility and proper function in automotive air conditioning repairs and maintenance, making it a critical component for technicians and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Aupoko R1234YF to R134A low-side quick coupler. This low-side quick coupler is designed for seamless compatibility with R1234YF and R12 systems, making AC charging in your car a breeze. Crafted from solid, premium aluminum, this adapter boasts a robust construction for exceptional performance and durability. You can rely on its long-lasting quality. Adapting your R134A system to the R1234YF low-pressure line is simple with its auto shut-off feature. It's designed for your convenience and ease of use. The low-side R1234YF coupler features a 14mm female connection, while the R12 to R134A adapter has a 1/4-foot SAE female connection. Both are designed for a precise fit. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This adapter offers broad compatibility, fitting our R1234YF R12 to R134A systems. Its premium aluminum construction ensures durability and performance. If you need a reliable and straightforward solution for converting between refrigerant types, this is a great choice. What people say. Works great and saved myself some money in the process. Recommend for people with trucks that don't want to overspend. Is a good adapter that fit my truck. Installed a new AC compressor in my Ram truck. Charging it with the new Freon was gonna be $150 to $200. This little fitting cost me $15 and a couple cans of $10 Freon. The truck AC blows cold, with no problems. Just attaches to the gauge quick and easy. Number 4. Robinair RG3 Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Introducing the RG3, the new standard in portable refrigerant recovery. It's designed for ease of use, making it ideal for any residential or appliance-sized recovery job, from rooftops to marine HVAC systems. This machine boasts a 40% smaller footprint and weighs only 18 pounds. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry wherever you need it. It handles almost all refrigerants, including common CFC, HFC, and HCFC types like R410A. You can rely on it for a wide range of applications. Featuring a powerful 13 HP, 115 VAC, 60 Hz oilless compressor, it's capable of recovering both liquid and vapor refrigerants efficiently. Its high-efficiency cross-flow design optimizes the fan and condenser layout. This results in significantly shorter recovery cycle times. For added safety, it includes a high-pressure shut-off switch. This automatically turns the unit off if the pressure exceeds 550 psi. Designed with user convenience in mind, it features a rugged case, easy-to-read gauges, and simple 2-valve controls. Operating it is straightforward and efficient. What we like. This recovery machine is designed for ultimate portability, weighing only 18 pounds and featuring a smaller footprint. It handles a wide range of refrigerants, making it exceptionally versatile. If you're a technician who frequently works on rooftops or in various locations and needs a powerful yet easy-to-carry recovery unit, this is ideal. What people say. The Robinair RG3 refrigerant recovery machine is compact and lightweight enough that I can carry it easily between jobs or toss it in the truck without rearranging my whole setup. Despite its small size, it pulls down refrigerant quickly and efficiently, even on tougher systems. It's also surprisingly quiet compared to some larger recovery machines I've used. Number 3. Aupoko R1234YF Quick Couplers. These adapters are designed for R1234YF refrigerants, making them perfect for AC manifold gauges, diagnostic checks, and recovery work. Constructed from durable brass, these couplers are simple to install. The red coupler is for high pressure, and the blue is for low pressure, with included adapters for a 1/4 male port. Featuring an extended disconnect sleeve, they offer protection against injury and refrigerant loss, preventing leaks. Their robust construction ensures they are built to last. Crafted from heavy-duty brass, these manual couplers have undergone strict inspections to guarantee high quality and excellent performance. We stand by our product with a 12-month warranty. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Please note that this product is specifically for our 1234YF quick couplers. Kindly disregard any misprints on the product packaging. What we like. This set provides both high and low side or 1234YF quick couplers for comprehensive AC system work. The durable brass construction and extended safety sleeve offer protection and prevent refrigerant loss. If you are looking for a safe, durable, and complete set of manual couplers for our 1234YF systems, this is a solid option. What people say. The adapter allows for a secure and leak-free connection between the 1234YF and 134A systems. It's a well-made piece of equipment that feels durable and reliable. The quick connect fittings make it easy to attach and detach without any tools. Number 2. Boltigen our 1234YF to our 134A quick coupler conversion kit. This is the blue low-side quick coupler for our 1234YF systems. It features a 14mm female connection for our 1234YF and a 1/4 SAE male connection. It also includes an adapter for our 12 to our 134A systems, with a 1/4 SAE female and a 13mm our 134A low-pressure quick coupler. This is the red high-side quick coupler for our 1234YF systems. It has a 17mm female connection for our 1234YF and a 1/4 SAE male connection. Additionally, it serves as an R12 to our 134A adapter, featuring a 1/4 SAE female and a 16mm our 134A high-pressure quick coupler. Crafted from durable brass, these adapters are built to last. They have undergone strict quality checks to ensure premium performance and longevity. The textured grip makes them easy to handle and operate. Featuring a ball lock design combined with a rubber seal, this kit offers excellent sealing capabilities. The automatic closing function ensures a secure connection and prevents leaks, making disassembly and installation simple and convenient. This conversion kit is designed for our 1234YF and our 12 to our 134A air conditioning systems. It's perfect for AC charging, handling our 1234YF refrigerants, and is compatible with AC manifold gauges for diagnostic checks, recovery, and evacuation work. What we like. This kit includes both high and low side adapters for our 1234YF to our 134A conversion, ensuring full system coverage. It features a premium brass construction and a no-leakage design with automatic closing. If you need a robust and reliable conversion kit for AC charging and diagnostic work on both high and low pressure sides, this is the one to consider. What people say. Worked perfect and connected to my R134A gauges without leaks. Held vacuum and are built well. This is exactly what is needed to hook up your R134A gauges to a R1234YF system on newer cars. Fit Perfect was able to service my car's AC and didn't have to take the car to the shop and get ripped off. Guys, this was the fastest, easiest fix to pull a vacuum on the system for 1234YF. No problems, highly recommend it. Number 1. AC Refrigerant Quick Adapter R134A to R1234YF Conversion Kit. Introducing our innovative adapter, designed to effortlessly convert your R134A systems to R1234YF. It's the perfect solution for your AC refrigerant needs. This versatile tool ensures compatibility with both high and low side connections. Its adjustable design provides a secure and reliable fit every time. Crafted for longevity, this adapter is built to last. Its durable construction and adjustable features make it a dependable addition to your toolkit. Please note, this is a conversion tool specifically designed to change our 134A to our 1234YF. It requires existing R134A connections to function. It features our 134A Quick Connect male fittings that connect to our 1234YF Quick Connect female fittings on both the low and high sides. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us immediately, and we will ensure a prompt resolution. What we like. This tool is specifically designed to convert our 134A connections to our 1234YF. Its adjustable nature and durable construction make it a convenient option for this specific conversion task. If your primary need is to adapt our 134A fittings to work with our 1234YF systems, this specialized adapter will get the job done efficiently. What people say. The adapters are easy to use and make a good, leak-free seal. Both a low side and high side adapter are included. They enabled me to connect my old R134A gauge set to my newer R1234YF vehicle. This comes with brass connections that adapt to the plastic fittings. Gives a easy connection. Worked fantastic. These are perfect for making a change from the ultra-expensive YF1234 over to the less expensive and reliable R124. By the way, it's been 3 months and no issues with the changeover running the R124 in the YF1234 system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.